Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to schedule meeting in Google Meets. So let's don't waste any more time, let me show you how to do it. First let's open Meet from here, and when you click actually on new meeting here, as you can see we have three options: to create a meeting for later or to start immediately a meeting. But we want to schedule a meeting, right? So that is why we click on schedule in Google Calendar. From here it appears this tab where we can add the title of our meeting. Let's say SIP for Dr. Nikki, like this. And my advice is to just don't touch the time. I will show you in a few seconds how easier to schedule the time of this meeting. So for now you can add the location, you can add notifications or email, or the color of the meeting, and also you can make it free, visible, public. And also you can add a description. So that's it. If you want to add some guests, some of your friends, just put their emails here. And yeah, if you're ready, just click on save, and let's delete this because we don't need it. That's another meeting. So from here, how to schedule actually the time of this meeting, how to make the duration longer, or how to change the date. So from here, when you actually click on it of this meeting, if you see, we can drag it everywhere we want. We can make it from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow, or to in Saturday, or in Sunday, where is Sunday here. And yeah, but if you want to make the duration longer, you can just click on the bottom or the topper, no, just the bottom side of this rectangle, and when you click on it, drag it, and now the duration is longer. So that's how to schedule meeting in Google Meets. Also, I forgot, you can by clicking it, you can copy the link and you can send it to your friends. You can edit it, you can make everything with it, you can delete it actually, and yeah, you can change the color also. If you want to delete it, just delete. If you want to join in this meeting, just click here and join with the Google Meet. Prepare your camera, your microphone, join now, and now you're in your meeting. So yeah, so that was it, how to schedule meetings in Google Meet. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and who knows, maybe in a few days I will try to respond. So yep, see you next video. Bye.